It's not free. Don't click on these links at all. If you want to, if you're interested in something like this, go to your own browser and look it up and search it that way and go into it. You have to have a stockbroker account in order for you to put money into the stock market. So the people that you're seeing on here, they have a stockbroker account. They buy stocks. I mean, I'm gonna just let the AI explain it. She does a little bit better job than I do. This is what I got. This is how it works. It's not too long, but it'll explain things in detail. I recommend you listen to it all. Maybe it'll save you some money because this stuff does seem, it's enticing. Who doesn't want to make some money that quick? So check this out real quick, and I'll elaborate a little bit at the end.
Been done, often with penny stocks. Scammers secretly buy cheap, low-value penny stocks. They then use Facebook groups and messages to aggressively promote these stocks with false information and exaggerated claims. Pump. Once enough victims buy in, driving up the artificial price, the scammers sell their shares for huge profits. Dump. Leaving victims with worthless stock as the price crashes. 5. The trap. When you try to withdraw your profits, the scammers demand various fees, taxes, or commissions to release the funds. These are just additional demands for money. They might also pressure you to invest more for higher tiers or bigger returns. 6. The disappearance. Once they've extracted all they can, the scammers vanish. The fake platform disappears. Their profiles are deleted, and all contact ceases. Your money is gone. Key tactics they use: impersonation, posing as legitimate financial professionals, or even hacking friends' accounts to gain trust.
That's
Social
the big one you gotta watch out
using
for.
fake likes, comments,
Call
and
your
testimonials
friends.
to make the scam look legitimate and popular. Urgency and FOMO, pressuring victims to act now before the opportunity is gone, preventing rational thought. Guaranteed high returns,
limited time.
promising unrealistic profits with little to no risk. A classic red flag in any real investment. Gamification, making the investment process feel like a fun game with achievements, levels, and visually exciting
That's a
but
whole nother
fake
one.
progress
The
on their
games.
platforms. Emotional manipulation, building rapport and trust, sometimes romantic, to lower a victim's guard. Sophisticated fake platforms, creating professional-looking websites/apps that mirror real trading platforms to appear credible. In short, these scams are elaborate confidence tricks that combine digital sophistication with psychological manipulation to exploit your desire for wealth, leading to significant financial losses.
So, watch what you're doing out there. I'm going to try to expose some of this stuff because I'm getting really tired of flipping through videos and constantly just every 3 videos, When I'm bored, I like to flip through videos sometimes. There's some pretty cool shit on there. It's interesting. But then I get all this stuff all the time. It's like it's getting worse as the years are going on. I don't understand it. I don't even get the whole aspect of when I was a kid, it was commercials. Now they're called ads. They're not commercials anymore. But they are just so freaking, they just drill you with that crap. YouTube's getting really bad on that one, but I understand it. A lot of people make a lot of good money on YouTube, and they got to bring the revenue in somehow. This is what she said at the beginning of this little chat that I had with her.
Facebook investment scams, particularly those using the stock market as a ploy, are sophisticated
this.
operations designed to steal your money by creating a highly convincing illusion of easy wealth. They leverage human desires for financial freedom and exploit trust, especially through social connections. Here's a brief summary of how they work and the tactics they employ. How they work. The stock market angle. 1. The lure.
This is the
Scammers
one I'm
create
talking
fake
about.
Facebook profiles or pages, often impersonating financial experts, successful traders, or even legitimate financial companies. They use targeted ads featuring luxury items, stacks of cash, or success stories to...
That's where it kind of, I was listening to it earlier and I didn't have it started at the beginning, but I was just going to expose some of this shit because I'm getting tired of seeing it on there, and I'm hoping that maybe if I can stop anybody from wasting their money away, because that's exactly what's going to happen. I explained this on previous, but in order to invest in the stock market, you have to have a broker account with, like Charles Schwab or Fidelity. Those, you go in there, you create an account, and that's the account that you take your money and you put it into there, and then from there you can invest it in the stock market, wherever you want, however, long-term, short-term. But it's not through these links with these people on here. And the same is going on with these games. Don't click on the links to the games. If you're interested in something, just go to your browser, look it up, search it, and go that way for it. Don't click nobody's links on here. They are out to just rip off, scam, and apparently it's legal. You know, you go steal some bubble gum from the damn grocery store or something, there's gonna be a SWAT team waiting out there for you. But on here, apparently they can just do everything they want.